What's up guys, and welcome back to Must Download Cydia Tweak. In today's video I'm gonna show you an awesome Cydia tweak that you should download. This tweak will bring macOS Touch Bar to iOS. This tweak brings a MacBook Pro inspired floating touch bar UI to your device by enabling you to implement actions with a single touch. As you see, you can quickly mute your device, increase or decrease volume, increase brightness, or decrease brightness, and more. Alright, now I'm gonna show you how to download and install the tweak. First, go to Cydia. Go to the sources here and add the source, Havoc source. After adding the source, go to the search here and search for TouchBar tweak. This is the tweak. As you see, this tweak can't be downloaded with Cydia, so you will have to install it with Zebra Store. So make sure guys to add Zebra source and install Zebra Store. Now go ahead and open Zebra Store. Go to the sources here and add Havoc source. After adding the source, go to the search and search for TouchBar tweak. This is the tweak. TouchBar tweak, as I said, brings a MacBook Pro inspired floating touch bar UI to your device, allowing you to implement actions with a single touch. The tweak is also compatible with iOS 14 with Activator support, so you can use Activator to enable or disable the tweak. Now just go ahead and install it. I already installed it, so I will not install it again. After installing the tweak, go to the home screen and open the settings to enable the tweak. This is the tweak. Alright, the first thing you're gonna do here is enable the tweak from here. In style option here, you can customize the style and change it to blur or OLED. Here you can change it to light, medium, or heavy. Here in customize option, you can change the touch bar state. You can enable it everywhere, only in apps, only on lock screen, and more. You can choose whatever you want. I will choose everywhere. Here below you can hide these options if you don't want them in the touch bar menu. The options you hide will not appear here in the touch bar menu. You can hide anything you don't need. Okay, I will hide noise cancellation. Also hide Siri. Okay, now once you make any changes, make sure to respring your device to apply and save the changes. Just click this button here to respring your device. Alright guys, Touch Bar is a really amazing tweak and it allows you to implement actions with a single touch from anywhere. And the best thing is that the tweak is also compatible with iOS 14 with Activator support. It's a really good tweak that I recommend you to give it a try. You will find the source below this video. Alright guys, if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Hope to see you guys in the next videos, and peace.